Tignan mo to, puro jogging na naman. Nag-day 1 na nakaraan, magde-day 1 uli ngayon. Next week, day 1 uli. Sa susunod na buwan, day 1 uli. Huwag mo naman lukuhin sarili mo. Pinahihirapan mo lang sarili mo.
Tayo. Hanggat makarating tayo sa starting point natin. Nakarating na tayo sa tayo natin. Let's go! Time check, 5:07. Let's go, let's go. Okay, ito na ating starting point for the Challenge ng SM. So, let's go! Let's go! Run! Chill lang tayo. Ng SM
Lap pace 5 minutes 38 seconds. Total 1 kilometer. Lap 2. Lap pace 6 minutes 8 seconds. Lap 3. Lap duration 5 minutes 36 seconds. Lap pace 5 minutes 36 seconds. Distance 3 kilometers. Duration 17 minutes 22 seconds.
Monday pa lang yun. Back to work, back to school. Lahat. Happy Monday.
Lap 4. Lap pace 5 minutes 52 seconds. Total 4 kilometers. 23 minutes 14 seconds. Lap 5. Lap pace 6 minutes. Total 5 kilometers.
Natin bilisan. Pahinga na rin naman after.
Target reached. Lap 6. Lap duration 4 minutes 52 seconds. Lap pace 4 minutes 51 seconds. Distance 6 kilometers.
Another 6K ulit. Dami ng estudyante. Monday. Ang balit ni Doggy sumusunod. Ama niya ata yung sinusundan niya. Dito na tayo sa Circle Ikot.